what's going on, everybody? My name is Riley Welch and welcome to the 92 Social YouTube page. Before we get started today, make sure you head over to our other videos. We have a lot of Ask 92s at the shorts, as well as longer videos like how do you add someone to your Facebook business page. So today we are going to show you how to add someone to your Google My Business. It's a simple task, but with technology and businesses constantly changing their platforms, it can get confusing. And I have been getting this question quite often actually. So before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more interesting videos, more social media and marketing tips, and anything you want me to talk about, to show you, let us know in the comments below. So right now, as you see in the screen, we have the 92 Social Business Profile Manager page, but let's start from scratch. New window, Google My Business page. So as you see, the first thing to do is click it, and then you have the business profile page. So you go sign in, assuming that you already set up your business page. This will be another video for another time, but we're here. Okay, so where do you go? As you can see on your left, you see 92 Social or your business name, posts, info, insights, reviews, messages, and more. And then on your right, you have a lot of different options, but where you want to go is to the left. Scroll all the way down to users, hit up users, and then there you go. You see Riley Welch, me, as the primary owner. But if you're looking to add someone, just hit up an add user and then type in their name or email. So right now we are at the add new users page. So it says allow others to help you manage business info and customer reviews. So right before we enter the name or enter the email address, let's look at the choose a role. So it can either be a manager or an owner. The difference between both of them, I believe, are just maybe if change as an owner, you can change pretty much anything. As a manager, you can respond to customer reviews or change a few business information. So let's go with owner. And let's type in Riley. Oh, that's not how you spell Riley. Riley at 92social.ca. Because right now, perfect. Because right now it's linked to my Gmail business account. So as we can see here, Riley at 92social.ca. Hit the invite. And so, oh, there you go. So now what it shows that it's invited as owner to Riley at 92social.ca or any email that you choose to use. But also in your Gmail universe, if you already have that person part of your email list, their name and their email will pop up when you write their name. So easy peasy. So that's all you have to do to add someone to your Google My Business in 2022. So if you have any questions for us at 92 Social, let us know in the comments below. We would love to learn more about you and your business and how we can help you reach your goals. Make sure you check out all our other videos here or there, and we'll see you next week. Take care.